Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Arash and today I'm with you with Bitcoin technical analysis. As you can see, Bitcoin price has been falling down for several days, but it just stopped from the support area I have mentioned in my previous videos. And today I'm going to update my previous analysis, so watch this video carefully until the end. Okay guys, as you can see, Bitcoin is trying to not to break below this price channel, which I mentioned in my previous post, and it's a nice try, but I cannot see more buy momentum right now. That's why I'm going to use my on-chain data analysis. As you can see, on on-chain data, exchange balances is just decreasing. Price is consolidating or price is decreasing, and also exchange balances is just decreasing too, which is telling us that there is no sell pressure in the exchanges because people are not depositing Bitcoin to the exchanges in order to enter short position or in order to sell their Bitcoins. Okay, this is a good news for us. And also I was checking my active addresses with the balance more than 0.1 Bitcoin. As you can see, price is moving down. Price is the gray line and addresses is the orange line. Price is moving down, but these addresses, they are just increasing. You can see that, guys. Price is down, addresses are up. Also, addresses with more than 1 Bitcoin, we can see that price is decreasing, but these addresses they are just consolidating. They are not having any kind of suspicious movement. Addresses with more than 10 Bitcoins, we can see that price is moving down, and these addresses, they had a bullish trend in the previous days, so which is cool right now and nothing suspicious. And addresses with more than 100 Bitcoins, something suspicious happened in the market. You can see that yesterday we had a massive dump in the price, and Bitcoin price moved down for more than $6,000 in just one day. But addresses with more than 100 Bitcoin, they just got pumped here. You can see that the whales number is just increased. And in the addresses with more than 1000 Bitcoin, nothing suspicious right now. They are just moving in the time and nothing happened. No sell pressure is detected right now. And addresses with more than 10,000 Bitcoin, something really suspicious happened. You know, in the past days, these addresses, they just increased from 80 addresses to 90 addresses, which is a really good news. Why? As you can see, addresses with more than 10,000 Bitcoin and 100 Bitcoin, they are increasing. And also exchange balances, they are just decreasing, which is telling us that if Bitcoin price moves down for more prices, for example, if Bitcoin break below this support level, whales are going to buy more. You know, whales are buyer in this drop. So this is a good news for us, and I think if Bitcoin breaks below this support level, if Bitcoin breaks below this support level, I think the next support somewhere around 53k level, 54k level, it's going to work, and I think we are going to see a massive pump in Bitcoin price. Why? Because whales are buying, but small traders and normal traders, they are just panicking and selling to the whales. And that's why I think Bitcoin prices is going to go up if we have more correction in the market, and I'm quite bullish on this support. So if we reach this support, I'm going to enter buy position, and I'm going to buy for higher levels right now. And this is everything you needed to know about Bitcoin. But how do I know that whales are going to buy more on lower levels? I have monitored whales activity for more than a year, okay? And I have noticed that if price moves down and whales are starting to buy. After some dips, after some drops in the market, a price will start to move back, and we are going to see a big pump in the market. This is the normal whale activity. And right now we are observing cryptocurrency market fear and greed index, and whenever this index moves above 70, we enter a greed phase in the market, and whenever we move below 30, market enters fear phase. Okay, in cryptocurrency market, when market is greedy, it's not a good time to enter buy position. As you can see, the market was greedy for several weeks, and right now market is neutral because the fear and greed index moved below 70, and it's neutral right now. If market enters fear phase, it's a good buy opportunity. You know, if we have more correction in the market, for example, if price reaches $53,000, it's a good buy opportunity. Why? Because whales are buying, and the market has entered to the fear phase, and this is a good buy opportunity. Actually, this is a good time for whales to enter buy position, because whales are doing the opposite of small traders. Okay, whatever small traders are doing, whales are doing opposite. So if market enters fear phase, it will be a good buy opportunity, and I think it would be really good for the market. And also we are observing Bitcoin funding rates history. As you can see, the funding rate of Bitcoin has increased for several weeks, and right now it's just decreasing because the price is moving down, and it's a good time to enter buy position. I'm quite bullish on Bitcoin because every factor that I'm analyzing is telling me that the bottom is going to be somewhere around 59 to 60k level, or the bottom is going to be somewhere around 53 to 54k level when I'm analyzing it technically. And when I'm combining my technical analysis with on-chain data analysis, it's telling me that everything is telling me that the dip and the bottom is going to be somewhere around 59 to 60k. Or if you want to see lower levels, I am quite bullish, extremely bullish actually, on 53k level. And don't forget that this video is not a financial advice, and we are analyzing chart with educational purposes. If you like this data, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe into my channel. See you later, guys.